This is going to be a video product review of the Athphy Massage Gun. It is a deep tissue muscle massager for pain relief, for full body pain relief. It's handheld, it's electric, it's portable, used on the neck, the shoulders, the back, the feet. If you have plantar fasciitis, these are wonderful. If you have sore neck pain, if you have SCM problems, if you are a runner, if you're a jogger, you have tight leg muscles, thigh muscles, if your quads hurt, this is something you want to buy. Let's do the unboxing now and check it out. So let's open up this wonderful case and see what we have in here. Some instructions. We have the AC adapter. So some of these come with AC adapters, some of them come with no adapter, and you have to provide your own power brick, and it just comes with a cable. So this is wonderful that it comes with the AC adapter. Let's check out the gun, the massage gun over here. 2 pounds, I think it's about 2.3 pounds. This is solid, this feels good. This is a really large handle. This is a really nice feeling massage gun. I like it. We have 6 different heads, and we have compartments so that they can go in there in the case. My favorite one, I like this, which is great for targeting your sore spots where you want to do right on the trigger point. And I like the ball head because it really distributes the vibration, the percussion, the feel, much better than a lot of the guns do. The idea behind a percussion gun, you're going to see it in a minute, is it goes like this. That's how they work. You don't get the old style vibrating stuff. This is a percussion thing. This really goes into the muscle like a shiatsu massager. So let's power this thing up. We have a switch on the bottom to turn it on and off. And let's check out the display. And this thing looks awesome. Look at this. This is very different than the other massage guns that are on the market. This is what these massage guns do. So I can put this in one area and you can see the hand. See how everything's moving underneath the massage head? That's what it does. It breaks up all the tightness underneath the head. It helps the blood flow. You can see it. Look at what it does over there. So if you have problems with carpal tunnel, you put it on your wrist. See what it's doing over there? That's going to get the blood flowing. That's going to relax the tightness, relax all the soreness and the tightness. This feels absolutely incredible. This is powerful. This is really nice. Look at what it's doing to my forearm. So by using this for a few minutes, you can get blood flow, you can get muscles that are very relaxed. And let's face it, a lot of our problems nowadays are tight muscles, stress. Oh, does this feel absolutely wonderful. I type a lot, I use the cell phone, and always sore right around the wrist. So this feels absolutely amazing. Let me show you what else you can use this for. As I was saying, if you have plantar fasciitis, you have problems with your feet, you put this on the bottom of your foot, you are going to be amazed at how wonderful it feels. You get it right in the arch over there. You can relax your ankles, your feet, the tightness in your toes. If you wear high heels all the time, this is great. This will ease the pain at the back of the leg and relax the tightness in the bottom of the foot. The Athphy Massage Gun for deep tissue massage is wonderful to have. Buy this for your wife, buy this for your husband. Give this as a gift to somebody who's into sports and working out and has tight muscles, has medical issues where they have lots of pain with their shoulders or their back or their legs. They'll probably be very happy that you got this for them. It has 6 speeds, it's powerful, but you can also turn it down. So if your body's very sensitive, you can turn it down to a very light percussion massage that's not going to bother you at all. It's just going to feel really relaxing and very calm. Look at that. Very light. Or you can turn it all the way up to whatever speed you want. Make sure you look for the affiliate link in the video description. Order this today. It is made by Athphy.